Competition number 11, Darwin Fournier from Indy Healers has cracked the TVS Apache home shot. Darwin Fournier is in the lead. White Top moved toward the 250 international season. Right at the line. And Darwin from Indy Healers is absolutely flying this track. He's followed by BB Racing, Lane Shaw. Lane Shaw's in the second, followed by Rise Dog Racers. Off the top on the whoop-de-doo section. This is an absolute treat to watch, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, over here the riders are absolutely riding on fire. Oh, there's a crash out there. There's a crash out there, ladies and gentlemen. Rise Dog Racers. We are riding in third spot. Unfortunately, he met the crash, but that's a part and parcel of racing. But look at Darwin Fournier from Indy Healers. He is absolutely in the second spot. That is a 250cc premium category. Competition number 259. Julian Limbaugh from Gujarat Trail Racers is in the second spot. Oh, look at the way these guys are fighting it out. Wow! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the owner of Indy Healers is absolutely happy out there because he has his rider, Darwin Fournier, absolutely flying. In the second spot, we have Gujarat Trail Racers rider, but in the lead, as you can see, is competition number 11, Darwin Fournier, followed by 259, Julian Limbaugh, and followed by number 27, Hugo Manzato. Hugo Manzato from Tricolor Motorsports. Oh, look at the way these guys are flying! My God! What a treat to watch the way these guys are flying! Coming back to your leader. Your leader is Darwin Fournier. And look at the way he is riding so smooth. He's going to lead up more than 20 meters out here. And look at the smoothness. The way he's riding. Absolutely treat to watch. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a good fight for the second spot. Absolutely between